हो रहा है ना?
हाँ हाँ।
My name is Sumit Kumar
रिकॉर्ड हो रहा
Sani,
है ना?
and I am from Gonda, Uttar Pradesh. I have completed my master's in computer application from Babu Banarsidass University, Lucknow. Currently, I am pursuing a full stack development course from Masai, where I have learned HTML, CSS, JavaScript, and Python. During a recent Construct Week, I was given problem statement to create a local business website for which I developed a cafe website. Now, over to you, Prakash.
So, could you just tell me about the what is the scope of the project and why did you choose the same?
Thank you so much for asking for a beautiful question. So, so the scope of the project is created a comprehensive and engaging website for a cafe Serene that include the front page, landing page, product page, about us page, movement page, and sign up page. We choose this scope to ensure that all critical aspects of the cafe online presence are covered, providing a seamless and informative experience for visitor.
For the user, right?
Yes.
And coming to the next question, can you walk me through the most challenging technical problem you encountered in your project and how you resolved it?
So, so the most challenging technical problem was ensuring that the website was a fully responsive across the different devices, particularly on a similar screen like the iPhone SE. We was resolved this by using a mobile first approach in our CSS. Leverage media query to adjust layout and the font size to different screen width and testing on various devices.
Yes, now coming to the next question. So you have, as you have told, you have added media query, and what specific technologies did you use, and why did you choose them for this project?
So in this project, we use HTML for structure, CSS for styling and layout, JavaScript for iterating elements, and using for some animations like some animation like hover and all of these. So these technologies were used because they are the standard for web development and to allow to us to create a responsive and dynamic user experience.
And you have used a media query too, right? For
Yes.
the
Yes.
responsiveness, right?
Yeah.
Did you encounter any performance issue, and how did you identify and address it, if any?
Yes. Thank you. Give me these questions. So we did encounter performance issue related to image loading times. We identify issue using browser developer tools, address then the optimize image for web using for lazy loading techniques and some other techniques for improve the performance.
Okay, now coming to the next question, can you explain a situation where you had to make a critical decision that impacted the project direction?
So a critical decision was choosing a implement a mobile first approach. This decision was made after considering the significant number of users accessing the website via mobile device. It impact our design to development process, ensuring that the website was optimized for mobile use first, then adopt the larger screen.
So you took decision about that media query and all that thing, and also took decision about the CSS and the styling, everything. That was the all the decision you took to make this project happen, right?
Yes.
Okay. So this will the last question. How did you manage version control and collaboration in your project?
So we used for Git for version control with a repository on GitHub. Each team member worked on separate branch and submitted pull request for reviewing before merging change into the main branch. This approach facilitated collaboration and ensured that all code change were reviewed and tested.
So, nice explanation about everything. That's all about the questionnaire part. It wasn't. all the things were nice and good. That's all about the interview, bro. You did a fantastic job
Thank you
explaining
so
it.
much.
Okay, we can end the interview now.
Sure.
Okay.